few weeks ago I did a video where I started touching on vision. So when I work with one-to-one clients, one of the first things I do is I get them to tell me their why, their purpose, what it is they're trying to achieve from life, where they want to be in 3 years, 5 years time. So if you're doing a renovation project, if you're creating a holiday let, in fact, if you're about to start a business of any kind, there is one thing that I can categorically, absolutely guarantee you without any doubt. That is that you'll have a lot of hard times and challenges along the way. Now, getting through this can be very hard. In fact, it can be ridiculously hard, and it can be very, very, very easy just to give up instead. Therefore, the key motivator needs to be big enough and strong enough to be able to push you through the other side. So an example of this is building company. I'm an extremely good company. We earn good money, we have a very good reputation. But in order for me to be able to scale it and make it sustainable, I needed a number of staff of a certain skill quality. After a year of searching, I was unable to find them. So that meant that I personally had to do a lot more of physical work than would have been ideal. Having had 2 operations on my collarbone, I was told in no uncertain terms, if I carried on in this way, then I was going to be broken in not very long. This, however, is the easier option. The reason for that is because working the 9 to 5 is familiar to me. It's what I know, it's what I've done for years, therefore it's in my comfort zone. So giving up a very, very good wage, allowing myself to be extremely vulnerable, creating videos like this, not working a 9 to 5, that is the harder option for me at this stage. So my main goal is to be able to surf every day, and I want to be able to travel for 3 to 6 months every year. Obviously working the 9 to 5 and doing this doesn't go together. Therefore, I have to take the harder option in order to get the greater long-term outcome. So what I want from you is I want you to think about what is the one thing that you really, really want. Where do you want to be in 3 years, 5 years time? And I want you to write it in the comments below. The reason for this is writing it in the comments below is the first step to making it happen. See you next week. Bye.